Because the minister's reply regarding the aims in Telangana, does not appear to be factual. The director aims in Telangana, Mr. Vikas Bhatia, has given a statement that the hospital will be ready in 2024. You have given a written reply, sir, that it will be ready in 2022. Second, sir, in 2.5 years after the sanction, total amount that you have spent on AIMS Telangana is 22 crores. 2.5 years after your announcement, there is not a single inpatient facility in AIMS Telangana. Sir, I wish to bring to the minister's notice through you, sir. This was not a new building. Existing Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences was taken over to set up an AIMS. You have taken over an existing campus, built over 50-acre land, and after 2.5 years, there is not even inpatient facility. Sir, I request that the government of India take it seriously, and there is not even any reasons you have given for a delay. You have just said it will be ready by September 2022. You have not even as yet taken over the buildings from the earlier hospital. I wish to request, sir, that the minister clarify that they can meet the deadline of September 22.
I would like to inform the member specifically that no doubt it is a scheme made by the national government. The whole of money is provided for the setting up of the AIMS by the national government, but it definitely requires the help of the state government to help in getting the right conditions at the grassroots level. As far as this particular AIMS is concerned, he is right that till now 22.78 crores have been delivered, although the total cost is 1,028. But as on today, pre-investment work is in progress. Executive agency for the main work has been appointed. The design consultants have been appointed, and the progress is going on as per whatever the plan is.
T.R. Baluji.
Yeah. Director there is saying it won't be ready before 2020.
Sir, first of all, with your permission, I would like to congratulate